Hey friends, today I'm so thrilled because a week ago I applied to this reward program and I just received a monster mini fridge. The best part is that I got it for free. It really isn't difficult. But first of all, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so go ahead and visit the website in the description where you'll need to answer some simple questions. After that, you'll be redirected to a website where you'll have to insert your delivery address. And in 3 to 5 business days, you'll receive your mini fridge. That's it. You don't have to pay for delivery or anything like that. Thanks for watching and enjoy your free products. Good luck. And once again, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more freebie videos.